Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 headphones and I'm going to show you where can you see your single headphone serial number. At first we have to open our headphones and remove them from our case. Now I will zoom it in for you. Where can you find it? And now, as you can see, our serial number is located over here. Is this one, this number. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.